All right, you guys, the sun is out, the birds are chirping, pollen is falling, so y'all know what that means. Spring is in the air, and this mama bear has come out of hibernation, and I am in full cleaning and organizational mode. So today we're gonna go over everything that I found on Amazon to help me organize my kitchen. So y'all know I recently organized my pantry, and once I did that, it just has been nonstop. I have gone through every cabinet and drawer and have gotten this kitchen together. So I just wanted to share with you guys the things that I found to help me do it. So I'm gonna start with my pantry first because you guys have already seen that. So I'm just gonna go through the items and show you guys what I got and the purpose that they serve. So the first thing I got were these stackable crate-like bins. You can stack these on top of each other and use them like that, but I just decided to separate mine so that I could fill up the shelf. And I just use these for snacks and goodies, chips, different things like that. They also come with a wood covering on the top that you can actually use for a cutting board, but I just have mine open for now and just have the wood set to the side for later use. I also got another set of storage boxes, and these are just wood storage boxes. Again, I just use them for like dry goods or packaged goods, and they look great. So I really went with a natural wood look inside of my entire kitchen. You'll see that. You'll see it's mostly wood or bamboo, but these stackable boxes are great as well. I did the same thing, just separated them and put them on either side of the shelf, just to fill up the shelf and have more organizational boxes. So this is actually one of my favorite, y'all. This comes in a 2-pack. This is a 2-pack of Lazy Susans. You just don't realize how much space that you can save by putting everything together in this small little turning radius. So before I had like all of my sauces and stuff kind of stacked up behind each other, which just took up more space. So condensing it into this small little circle area on the Lazy Susan just works so great, and I think it looks really good, and it makes my items very easy to get to and easy to find. Just spin it around and there it is right there. I don't have to like reach behind or dig or move things out of the way to see what's behind another item. So I really like this. So then I purchased this canned good tiered shelf. This is actually great. I probably could have purchased more than one, but I just stuck with the one. So this is expandable. So it starts at one size and then it expands to another. It's a 3-tiered shelf. So you're able to stack up your canned goods, again, making them easily accessible and easy to see everything that you have. Another one of my favorites was this 5-set of glass containers. I just really like how this looks. I'm able to see my dry goods and pastas. I think this just looks so good. Again, it comes in a 5-set, different sizes. So for your larger pasta, smaller beans or whatever, this just looks so much better than having your things in the box. So just the display and the aesthetic is aestheticing. And the last thing that I got was one of these produce bins. I just use this for my onions and potatoes. And again, just makes it easier to get to, and it looks better than having the bag of potatoes or the bag of onions just sitting on the floor like we used to have. So this just looks so much better as far as a display. Now, one thing that I don't have, but I am about to get, I'm going to get behind the door rack for my foil paper and like wax paper. I saw this on Amazon. It just has not come in yet, but I am getting this one. They also have it available for inside your drawers, but my drawers were already full, so I decided to go with the behind the door situation. And this will just have all of my foil and cooking papers easily accessible. Again, right now I have them in a bin at the top and it just doesn't look great. So I'll stack them up behind the door and I'm sure this will look much more organized. And if you're wondering, the other little bins that I have inside my pantry, I got those from the dollar store. I saw some on Amazon, but they were much more pricey. So I found these little wicker bins inside my local Dollar General for like $8. So I'm sure you can find that there too. All right, so now we're going to slide over to my kitchen drawers. So you guys, listen. One of my most favorite things inside my whole kitchen is now my spice drawer. I took all of those spices from out of my pantry, put them in a drawer using this 24 set of glass containers. It also came with the shelves, so the shelves put it at a slant so you're able to display them nicely. It also came with the name tags or stickers that go on the front. Me and my husband just sat down one night and just transferred all of our spices into these containers. And when I tell y'all, it is so nice to have them accessible right there next to the stove, but then just to be able to see everything and get rid of all of those spice little small containers that we had in the pantry. This was my #1 pet peeve because I had spices falling through those wire racks that I had. If y'all saw my previous video, you know I put those shelves in to cover the wire racks, but the spice containers are small, so they were falling down. They wouldn't stand up straight in the pantry, and it was just annoying. So I feel like this just looks so much better. I highly recommend this set. I absolutely love it. And 24 is more than enough, but if you have more spices than that, then order 2. I also purchased 2 different types of bamboo silverware organizers. So the first one I actually use in my coffee drawer. So I just use this for coffee pods and tea bags. So this one was just a small one. And I think this looks nice. This has my coffee and tea nicely displayed and nicely organized. And again, this was just a regular silverware organizer that I just decided to use for my coffee pods. The other one that I got was much larger. I like this one a lot because it is expandable, so I was able to expand it to the full width of my drawer, and I do use this one for all of my silverware. I love that it has slots for my knives, and the knives kind of sink into the wood, so it leaves them sharp and taken care of. And then it also has a larger side as well for like larger serving spoons or whatnot. And then the last thing I got was a bag container. So y'all know we go to the store and we get bags hand over fist from our grocery stores. And I used to just have these kind of stuffed under the cabinet, but now I put them in this nice container that I put behind my cabinet door. So when I open the door, we can just reach in and grab a grocery bag right there. And it just looks so much better and so much more organized. And I love that. Y'all, so these are all of the items that I got from Amazon so far. Again, I am in full cleaning and organizational mode. So if you guys are feeling the spirit, feeling the cleaning. So if you guys are feeling the cleaning spirit like me, then stick around because I'll be showing you more items that I'm going to be using to organize and clean my home with. So welcome to spring, you guys. It is time. Brush off those winter blues and get our homes organized and all cleaned. And I am excited for this new season. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you're interested in anything that I mentioned, then just check the description box below for all of the items. There will be a link there to my Amazon store. So I will see y'all on the next one.